Sometimes we just need to get back to basics and understand what a concept we've been hearing for so long means. So let us get together today, go back to the basics of cryptocurrency. Let us go over what they are, starting with the definition and what it means, and discuss in detail how they work. We will also discuss where we can get crypto, where it is accepted, and what we can buy with it. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let us define what cryptocurrency is, and we can divide its main definition into three parts. 1. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency, so it doesn't have a physical form. 2. It is a currency that uses cryptography, which is code writing and solving, to make transactions happen. 3. It uses a decentralized system to secure transactions and issue new currencies, so it is not regulated by any governments. So cryptocurrency is a payment method used digitally, and anyone from anywhere in the world can send or receive cryptocurrency, which means making a transaction without having any bank or other financial institution as an intermediary. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger that anyone can see, but for security and safety reasons, every cryptocurrency sent or received, and any data that records the transactions between two different people, is encrypted. Additionally, just like we have physical wallets to safeguard our physical money, cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency that was anonymously founded back in 2009, and up until today, it remains at the top of the cryptocurrencies today. When more digital cryptocurrencies were launched, every other coin that isn't to be known as an alternative to Bitcoin. This includes Ethereum's Ether, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, and meme coins, to count only a few. There are now more than 19,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation and several dozens of blockchain platforms. Speaking of blockchain, let us go over how cryptocurrency works. The blockchain is the technology that is on the basis of how cryptocurrency functions. That public ledger, where all of the transactions of the cryptocurrency are located, is the blockchain. So once a Bitcoin is transferred from you to your friend, for instance, the transaction is encrypted and registered forever on the blockchain. This new technology prevents people from creating copies of the cryptocurrencies they have. Each unit of a cryptocurrency is either a coin or a token, differing in the way they are used. To generate cryptocurrencies, the process known as mining is used, and since it is a digital currency and nothing needs to be printed, it is usually done only with a computer. Alternatively, you can buy cryptocurrency from an exchange or a broker. Let us now dig a little deeper into those two. A cryptocurrency exchange is an online platform where users can buy, sell, and trade their cryptocurrencies. Coinbase and Binance are examples of crypto exchanges. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so make sure to do your research before deciding on the one that you want to use. A broker, on the other hand, will be the one dealing with the exchange on your behalf and would charge you a higher fee to help you buy, sell, and trade your crypto. Once you do buy cryptocurrency, you can either store it on the exchange itself or in a digital wallet. You will also have to do your own research to pick the best wallet for you, as each one has different features. So you've bought crypto or are interested in buying some, but you aren't sure where it is accepted or what you can buy with it? Well then, listen up. Since 2020, there are several businesses that started accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. They include, but aren't limited to, Wikipedia, Microsoft, AT&T, and Twitch. Even some branches of your favorite fast food chains like Burger King, Subway, and KFC accepts Bitcoin today. And those are only a few of the many businesses that deal with cryptocurrency, and many more seem to be ready to join. If you're wondering what you can buy with cryptocurrency, well, any service or product that the businesses that accept Bitcoin or other crypto deal with. Bitcoin is accepted by both travel sites Expedia and Cheap Air. If you want to create a website or any other small business online, well, WordPress, Etsy, and Shopify all deal with crypto. And if you're a gamer, then you'd be glad to know that Steam as well has started accepting Bitcoin. Many gambling sites also allow digital currency, like the New York State Lotto and several casinos. Cryptocurrency is today so big that it has been included in every industry. Do you want to buy some clothes? Well, Bitgear accepts Bitcoin. Do you want some gold? JM Bullion accepts Bitcoin. Guns? Central Texas Gunworks is in. And even if you need a coffin, Crescent Tide Funeral and Cremation now also takes Bitcoin. But ultimately, the best thing you can buy with crypto is some more crypto, because the future of digital currency is just beginning. Let us know where you'd spend your crypto. Don't forget to like the video if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button for more content such as this. See you soon.